Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. In the last video, we explored how purchase inquiries RFQs are prepared and sent to vendors. Today, we move to the next step in the procurement journey, Purchase Quotation, where we capture and compare vendor responses in Lighthouse ERP. Now tell me, do you know what is a purchase quotation? Don't know? Okay, now listen carefully. A purchase quotation is a formal vendor response to your RFQ recorded and tracked in Lighthouse ERP. Each quotation entry includes item details, vendor terms, quoted rates and taxes, delivery period, validity date, and any commercial conditions. These quotations become the basis for selection and negotiation. One RFQ may receive multiple quotations and the ERP system links them all back to the original inquiry and requisition. This keeps your process traceable, centralized, and ready for final decision making. Why is it important? So, let's explore why purchase quotations play such a crucial role in a smooth and smart procurement cycle. Accurate pricing. Quotations provide a clear and transparent cost breakdown, helping avoid hidden charges or surprises. Side-by-side comparison enables easy comparison of prices, taxes, delivery schedules, and terms across multiple vendors. Supports budgeting and planning. Helps ensure funds are allocated effectively before committing to a purchase. Transparency and clarity. Clearly defined terms reduce the risk of confusion or disputes later in the process. Strong basis for negotiation. Serves as a foundation for meaningful discussions and better deal making. Audit trail and documentation. Each quotation is logged, creating a complete record for compliance and future audits. Faster, informed decisions. With all vendor data available, buyers can make confident and timely decisions. Cost savings. By comparing quotes, buyers can identify the most value for money option and negotiate smartly. Vendor evaluation helps assess vendors not just on pricing, but also on reliability, delivery terms, and flexibility. Streamline procurement brings structure, reduces delays, and supports a more efficient end-to-end workflow. Whether you're working with one vendor or many, quotations bring structure, traceability, and confidence to every purchase decision. Because in the end, it's not just about recording prices, it's about choosing the right vendor with clarity and control. System prerequisites. Before creating a purchase quotation in Lighthouse ERP, certain master configurations and user rights must be in place to ensure accurate and controlled entry. Input field. Purpose quotation series must be set up in configuration master T-code F, T-nature, QTNI for classification. Inquiry number links the quotation to its corresponding RFQ. Indent requisition now tracks the origin of material demand. Item master ensures only codified items are selected for consistency. Vendor broker selected from subsidiary ledger, ensuring proper vendor mapping. Division and cost codes enables project level tracking and budgeting. Staff code tracks user responsibility for audit and approval flow. Other master required to define pricing breakups such as freight, insurance, packing, etc. Sales tax master needed for accurate tax applicability and compliance with government rules. In addition, user rights must be properly configured, allowing authorized personnel to create, edit, approve, or cancel quotations for specific series and transaction types. Step-by-step quotation entry. This is the quotation preparation screen in Lighthouse ERP. Here's what the user enters. Series example quotation purchase. Vendor name and party reference. Inquiry number. Quotation date and validity. Payment and delivery terms. Item details. Code, quantity, rate. Add-on charges. Landed cost, if any. Attachments, TNCs, drawings, PDF. As shown here, a quotation has been created by Lighthouse International Limited for a Samsung A22, including 1000 units, item level charges, and rate breakdown. This allows the purchase team to maintain complete visibility and accuracy, and keep all commercial inputs in one place. Quotation list and tracking. Once saved, quotations appear in the quotation list screen with filters like for total, approved, unapproved, pending approval, quotation amount and vendor. You can track the status of every quotation vendor-wise, series-wise or item-wise. This gives the team an immediate overview of how many vendor quotes are pending, finalized or under review. Comparison and approval. Lighthouse ERP provides a built-in quotation comparison utility, making the approval process faster, more informed, and fully auditable. Here's what the system allows you to do. Compare multiple vendor quotations side by side, all on a single screen view, item-wise price, taxes, validity, delivery dates, and landed cost. Use L1, L2, L3 ranking to easily identify the most cost-effective vendor. Perform system-based approvals directly from the comparison view. Reject or cancel other quotations with proper audit trail. Maintain a negotiation history, helping teams track conversations and agreed changes. The structured approach improves vendor evaluation, enhances negotiation transparency, and ensures that every quotation decision is both strategic and well documented. Key features recap. Let's highlight the smart features of the Purchase Quotation Module in Lighthouse ERP. Key highlights. Enquiry and requisition-based quotation entry ensures traceability across the procurement flow. Item-wise and vendor-wise quotation tracking enables granular visibility. Bulk cancellation of unapproved quotes saves time and reduces clutter. Attachment of supporting documents. Add PDFs, Excels, or Word files to quotations. Online approval with audit trail. Every action is logged for compliance. One-click comparison and L1 vendor analysis helps identify the best offer quickly. Direct linking to purchase order creation streamlines the next step. Flexibility to approve any quotation or item. Selection can be based not just on pricing, but also on terms, delivery, and other commercial conditions. These features ensure your procurement process remains controlled, competitive, and completely auditable. Real-life example. Let's suppose you as a buyer sent an RFQ for electric panels to 4 vendors. 3 respond with quotations. The ERP records each one, tags them to the RFQ, and offers a side-by-side view. You select vendor 2 based on best delivery time and total landed cost. The quotation is approved and the system takes you to the purchase order stage. Everything is seamless, automated, and ready for audit. And you learn purchase quotation process, isn't it? If not, watch it again and remember. Recap and what's next. Here's a quick recap of what we covered today. What is a purchase quotation? Why it matters? System prerequisites, entry and tracking screens, comparison, approval, and cancellation. Real-world example. In our next video, we'll move to purchase order creation, where approved quotations are converted into official POs for vendor execution. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing with Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy.